Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Val here, and today we have a very special video with a very special guest, Mina
B.
And don't forget to follow her on Instagram. It's at Supreme Walk. I'm just gonna put it right here. Alright, today we're gonna be doing a cooking video. We're gonna make fritai. It's a Haitian traditional food. Since you know May 18 is right around the corner, so we're gonna show you how to make it. It's very nice and delicious, so you'll like it.
It's not fully fritai because we won't have the griot, but it's gonna be some fried Haitian food for real.
Yeah, it's very good for snacks and party appetizers and stuff, right? It's gonna be very good.
Especially
so
during the quarantine, huh?
Oh yeah, stay tuned. So these are all the ingredients that you'll need. Down below in the description, I would put a list of everything that you'll need detailed. Starting with the ground beef, and I do have the lime cut and put on the side. I will show you later what I'm gonna do with that. Next is the chicken, and it also has salt on it and the lime. And next is the shrimp with some lemon cut in it, and I'll show you what for. Cheers.
Cheers. I know we're drinking. That's how you know the food's about to be good, okay?
Tip of the day.
You're welcome.
So first what we do is we're gonna clean everything the Haitian way. So it's not just water. So we
have salt, lemon or lime, whichever, and of course vinegar. I didn't add the vinegar before the video because vinegar strips, you know, it's an acid, so it strips the meat of the flavor, and I don't want to leave it in for too long. So that's why. And we don't have to add vinegar to this, but you can because it's already cooked, but we just want to clean it up with lemon and then take away the tail. We have to take off the tail because you don't want to bite and
you know,
too messy, okay?
Too much work.
Too much.
So with this, you add salt and you add lemon and lime and some vinegar too. So yeah, you just leave it in here for just a few minutes and then clean it, you know, take out like parts that you don't like, parts that you don't want.
And of course we got the
ground beef.
For the ground beef, you can honestly just squeeze a little lime in there, ajouter acide là-dedans, comprends? Pour le cas un bon petit acide.
Vous comprenez?
Tu comprends? Vous comprenez? So basically we're gonna add some Epis, we're gonna add some Maggi, so le ka gen bon goût. We're gonna add some piment, na coupe piment.
Gonna chop it up.
So le ka gen bon petit acide, bon petit sel, bon petit piment.
So for this part, get messy. Get your hands in it. If you want to wear gloves, you will more than welcome to. I like to use my hands.
Yeah.
It's more comfortable this way.
You're welcome for the tip. Ma ou pa vou la caille. Okay?
So this part is optional. Sometimes I do a slit in my chicken just to make sure that the spices get into it and it absorbs the spices very well, so the inside of the chicken could be well seasoned also. So here we just washed everything just with regular water. We went and washed it and took all the lemon and lime out here, both for the chicken and the shrimp. Right now the next step is to pour some hot water over it. We don't have to do it for the seafood, but for the chicken we do, so we can get rid of like a bunch of things that we don't want in there. Add your seasoning and mix well. In this case, we are using Epis, which is a Haitian seasoning. And if you don't have that, it's okay. You can use whatever seasoning you choose. The sweet potato, you're gonna simply fry it. So first, just skin that potato, then chop it up however big or however small you want it. Cook your meat on medium heat for 30 minutes until they're brown and soft and tender. To make these plantain cups, first fry your plantains, let it cool off a little bit, then use a lime squeezer, put it in there, squeeze that bad boy, and you got yourself a plantain bowl. Fill them cups with some ground beef. Be generous. Put a good amount in there. Then go ahead and add your shrimp. Lastly, you add your pikliz on top, et voila! Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. This is your fritai. It looks good and tastes even better.
Thank you for cooking with us.
Thank you for watching.
If you want us to make another video, just comment below.
Let us know. We could make like a more detailed video to show you every single little step. Just let us know in the comments. And if you do try this, don't forget to let me know, comment it, or DM me on IG. I'll be posting that on there too.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks so much. Do it. Do it.
Do it now.
So thank you for watching, and I guess that's the.
It's that good, people. And let me know if you make this in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.